Holy shit, there's so many of them! I died. My God!
I'm dropping in.
Yeah, I'm dropping in too.
Oh, I got a sport laser cannon.
I got an SMG and a fucking grenade launcher.
There you go, hit that one with the sport laser and got it. Boom, I think.
Still alive. Wow. Green line's right behind us, Connor. There's a green line left. Or one tentacle left.
Yeah, I might be able to hit him with the sport laser cannon from here. Hit it, I got it, let's go. Watch it. It's gone.
Did you think me defeated?
Ooh, I got him with the sport laser. He's running.
Oh shit. I'm out of ammo with my grenade launcher. Did we kill it?
I hit it in the face, in the mouth with the sport laser and went back under the ground.